Ana. Hi, I'm pala si best ko. My name's Alyssa, and this is my bestie, Julie. We complete each other like half of a heart. Yes. Ganito kami kabuhay. Parang inulit yung video natin kanina, ha? So,
We're in 6th period, and we're really
alata ba?
medyo.
Okay. So, musta na pala, James?
Yay!
Mahal ka ni Alisa, ha? So, yeah. Uy, kung may friend ka, i-hook up mo ako, ha? Single ako.
Yeah, she's gonna break up with her boyfriend, Chris, and he has to move on, so we're gonna hook her up, right? Right. Maybe she should go meet Adam.
Ay, baka mahilig lang yan sa...
Medyo.
Yeah. Di pa ako ready. Kailangan mo nang i-warm up. Wait, i-hot up.
Siguro makapal talaga mukha niya. Pok-pok to eh.
Minana ko sa best friend ko.
Medyo.
Oo, so yeah, makulit lahi namin.
Okay.
So yun lang gusto namin sabihin.
Wala lang, isang random video from 6th period.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.